Are you struggling to style your horizontal scroll bar in CSS? You're not alone. Many developers face this challenge, and today we're going to solve it together. I totally get it. You've styled your vertical scroll bar beautifully, but the horizontal one just doesn't match. It can be really frustrating when things don't look consistent. Here's the specific question we're addressing today. One user asked, how can I set a height of 2 to 4 pixels for my horizontal scroll bar? They've already styled their vertical scroll bar, but the horizontal one remains unchanged. Sound familiar? Let's dive into this. So what's the issue here? The horizontal scroll bar often defaults to a standard height, and CSS styling can be a bit tricky. But don't worry, we'll break it down step by step. And stick around. I'll share a quick tip at the end that will help you style scroll bars like a pro. To style the horizontal scroll bar, the user can start by using the same pseudo elements they used for the vertical scroll bar. This includes the WebKit scroll bar properties. Next, the user should ensure that the height of the horizontal scroll bar is set correctly. This can be done by adjusting the height property in the scroll bar definition. Additionally, the user can customize the appearance of the scroll bar track and thumb to match their design preferences. This includes setting colors and border radius. Finally, the user should test the scroll bar in different browsers to ensure consistent styling. Remember that these styles primarily work in WebKit browsers. Fun fact, did you know that the first web browsers didn't even have scroll bars? Imagine scrolling through a web page without them. Now let's look at the answers provided by other users. An alternative solution from another user suggests adjusting the height of the horizontal scroll bar. They recommend using the following CSS code to set the height to 8 pixels. Now let's see a response from a different user. An alternative approach to styling your horizontal scroll bar involves using the Bash WebKit scroll bar property. This user suggests setting both the height and width to 4 pixels along with a gray background. For the track, they recommend a light gray color, and for the thumb, a darker gray. When hovering, the thumb changes to an even darker shade. Additionally, they note that the horizontal thumb can have a black background with rounded corners. Now let's shift our focus to a different response. An alternative approach to styling the horizontal scroll bar is to use the pseudo element -WebKit scroll bar. Here, the height of the horizontal scroll bar can be set, while the width is for the vertical scroll bar. Additionally, you can utilize the horizontal pseudo class for more specific styling. Here's that quick tip I promised. Always test your scroll bar styles across different browsers. Not all browsers render scroll bars the same way, so it's good to check. And there you have it. Your horizontal scroll bar should now be styled just the way you want it. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe for more tips and tricks on web development.